How to add a calendar to Squarespace and sync it. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add a calendar to your Squarespace website page and also how you can synchronize it. So we're going to head over to squarespace.com, sign in for an account, head over the account dashboard. Once we have did that, choose the website that you want to add the option to, click on go to website and it is going to open up the website editor. Now we're going to choose from the left side of the screen, website, pages, and choose the page where you want to add the calendar. Maybe I'm going to add it to the home page. So I click on edit to show up all the editing tools that I have on the Squarespace editor. Now I'm going to add a section and preferably it is going to be a blank section. So from this section, I'm going to have two options. The first option is going to click on add block and then we are going to type in here on the search bar calendar. And it is going to show you here the calendar of your website or the monthly calendar. And depending on the calendar that you have here, as you can see, I have clicked on modify or edit. You can see that it is going to display events, blog posts, products or galleries, images as a calendar. So it is going to be something like that. You can go ahead and modify it by selecting, for example, the product. A product here is going to be the home page. That was the first option. Now, moving on to the second option, which is going to be related to another calendar, and it is going to be familiar. So it is going to be a product from Squarespace. We're going to add a new section. We're going to add a block, and it is going to be calendar again. We're going to have here scheduling, which is going to lead to Squarespace or Acuity Scheduling, which is a product from Squarespace. Click on it. We're going to extend it like that, and as you can see, we're going to start an Acuity Scheduling trial or connect an existing account. So I'm going to double tap here. We're going to see that we have the content, also the design. So we're going to have here the account. So we are going to see the appointment type or the calendar. We are going to make it as a calendar. And as you can see here, we are going to log in into our account to subscribe. So here, I think that I haven't subscribed yet, so maybe you can do the process. Let's see. Receive online payments. I do not want to receive online payments, so we're going to head over here. I'm going to start a free trial, and we are going to copy that link, the scheduling page. So we are going to see here that it is going to show us here the calendar, and it is going to be synchronized. So from here, we can go ahead and click on the calendar, click on edit. We can see the content. We can switch from appointment types to calendars to all public appointments available. Now for the design, we can go ahead and customize it on Acuity Scheduling. So we're going to head over here. Now we're going to find this page. It is going to show up here the design of that calendar. So either it is going to be a daily as it is going to be set. You can go ahead and put it as, for example, monthly, or you can go ahead and choose for classes. You can set up a logo. As you can see, we can go ahead and see if we are going to have a logo here. I'm going to have it like that. Boom. You can also set up a scheduling instruction. You can set up the week starts on and a lot of options. I'm going to change or save changes just like that. We're going to find the changes are going to be synchronized just in time. So let's head over here, calendar, and it is like that. So I don't know why the logo is not going on, but I think that the space is not maybe enough. So we are going to give it a little bit of a space. I'm going to make it like that. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.